Howdy everyone, welcome back to the channel. Always good to have you here. Okay, as always, we're here to talk all things Forex and prop trading. And this time we've got another review video for you. On this one, we're going to be going over Crypto Fund Trader and take a dive into exactly what it is they're offering to traders. So in this review, we'll unpack everything you need to know, from the funding models, the funding feasibility, some of the standout features of the firm, and of course the community perspective, so you can determine whether this firm aligns with your trading ambitions. As always, make sure you stick around until the end of the video. We've got exclusive discount codes that I'm sure you won't want to miss, as always. But with that said though, let's dive right in. All right guys, we're over here on the Crypto Fund Trader website. And just for a quick little bit of context on the firm, they were founded in May of 2021 by CEO Alan Sánchez, and CFT are operating globally with offices currently in Spain, Switzerland, and Dubai, with more probably anticipating to come over the next few years as they rapidly ascend in the industry. Now, they offer multiple funding paths, which we're about to dive right into. They do have a plethora of different programs suitable for all traders from beginner all the way to experienced. As we go through the website here, let's move on to the funding program section. And we're going to start by looking at the two-phase evaluation, a structured challenge really designed to assess consistency and risk management, suitable for traders of all experience levels, and a really good program to achieve a long-term success and longevity. For a quick bit of context on the program itself, you can choose account sizes ranging anywhere from $5,000 to $200,000. You do have leverage of up to 1 to 100. In phase 1, it requires an 8% profit target with 5% daily loss and 10% overall maximum loss over a minimum of 5 trading days. Very industry standard and realistic in our opinion. Phase 2 reduces the profit target to 5%, pretty industry standard as well, and maintains the same risk limitations and minimum trading days. Now, completing both phases, like they have had many people do in the past, grants a fully funded account, and there's no profit target once you are at that level. You have an 80% profit split, and payouts are available after 15 traded or 30 calendar days. So that's the two-phase evaluation in a very bit of a nutshell. Really good program, again, for somebody looking for consistency and long-term success. They also have the Ascend evaluation. It follows a similar two-phase structure, but instead of funding, traders earn a one-time scholarship payout. Now, account sizes range from $5,000 to $200,000, leverage is up to 1 to 30, and profit targets and loss limits mirror the two-phase evaluation. There are some additional rules, including no news trading within 2 minutes of high-impact releases and no trade copiers. This is a controlled challenge rewarding skill directly with a financial payout. So really important to keep in mind the rules there, and you can find more in-depth rules, objectives on the website here regarding these programs. Now, the one-phase evaluation is arguably one of their most streamlined paths to funding. Traders must reach a 10% profit target while keeping a 4% daily loss and a 6% trailing drawdown. A minimum of 5 trading days is required, and upon completion, traders receive a funded account with an 80% profit split and payouts starting after 15 traded or 30 calendar days as well. This one is ideal for traders who want a quicker route without multiple evaluation stages. As always though, make sure that you are equipped to handle those stages and set yourself up for success. Now, CFT also has instant funding, which is designed for traders who are ready to start immediately. If you are one of those people and perhaps you have some experience in the industry, you can access account sizes ranging anywhere from $2,500 to $10,000, leverage of up to 1 to 100. Obviously, being instant funding, there is no evaluation process to get through. You can begin trading live capital from day one. And once a 10% profit target is achieved, payouts are triggered and accounts scale to the next tier. Risk limitations are 4% daily and 6% maximum loss with no time pressure. Now, the instant funding program is particularly attractive for, again, maybe more experienced traders who want to skip the challenge phase and access capital right away. Combined with a clear scaling path and solid payout structure, it's an option that provides a powerful incentive for consistent, risk-aware traders to grow their accounts efficiently. Now, Crypto Fund Trader offers a structured scaling opportunity exclusively within the instant funding program. Unlike the other 3 programs, the 2-phase, the Ascend, Evaluation, and 1-phase, which do not include a scaling plan at this time, the instant funding program provides a clear path for account growth. So with instant funding, once a trader reaches 10% profit target, they not only qualify for a payout, but also become eligible to scale up to the next available account size. This setup allows consistent and disciplined traders to grow their funded capital progressively without having to reapply or go through additional evaluations. It is a performance-based system that rewards steady profitability with more trading power. And that's what this makes this instant funding a great choice for traders looking to build momentum and scale their accounts over time and maintain an 80% profit split and trading under very fair risk management rules, once again, in our opinion. So that's an overview of the programs. As you can see, really something there for everyone. But as always, before jumping in and buying a program, dig in a little deeper, make sure you know what you're getting yourself into, but certainly plenty of variety here with Crypto Fund Trader. Let's move on to why they are standing out. Now, the firm is offering flexible funding models, which we just covered, very trader-friendly rules with no maximum trading days, realistic profit targets throughout their programs, and professional-grade market execution via a Tier 1 liquidity provider. Instant funding scaling feature is quite rare in the industry as well and rewards consistent performance. So they do have quite a number of factors that are helping them stand out in the industry. Now, is getting Crypto Fund Trader capital realistic? Well, overall, each of their 4 programs is built around achievable trading objectives and rules that promote trader success. Most important thing, some firms are offering very high funded accounts with very tight risk limitations, and therefore your chances are basically zero. Now, if you are a cautious trader and you want a slow and steady evaluation program, or maybe you're a trader who prefers to jump straight into live trading with instant funding, as we can see, the firm's structure supports a variety of approaches. And thanks to this flexibility and fairness, Crypto Fund Trader presents a realistic and reliable pathway to capital for serious traders, regardless of the type of program you are really looking for. Now, regarding payments and proof, Crypto Fund Trader has been active since May 14 of 2021. Evaluation account payouts are available after those 15 traded or 30 calendar days, while instant funding triggers payout at each 10% milestone. Participants across their programs have verified payouts and testimonials. They're available via Trustpilot and the firm's Discord community. As always, strongly suggest you jumping into the Discord for any prop firm. You can sort of see behind the scenes and see those payout certificates, which are important for validity when coming into a new firm. In terms of platforms and instruments, so Crypto Fund Trader does not rely on retail brokers. They do have supported platforms including MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, and Bybit. Traders can access Forex pairs, commodities, indices, stocks, and of course, cryptocurrencies, all with leverage of up to 1 to 100, enabling diversification within a single account. In terms of education and tools for their traders, so the firm does provide numerous tutorial videos, live streams, ebooks, podcasts, and virtual classes. Every trader receives a real-time dashboard as well, showing performance metrics, risk tracking, and progress toward objectives, which is updated every minute. So they do go above and beyond to support their traders, not just for short-term success, but of course, longevity and consistent profitability with the firm. Let's jump on over and have a look at some external perspective on the firm, being over at Trustpilot. If you want to look more at the website in depth, there is still plenty on there. Of course, do that in your own time with your own due diligence. At the time of recording though, at Trustpilot, from well over 1,000 reviews, Crypto Fund Trader currently holds a fairly impressive overall rating with more than 80% of their reviews being 5-star. Once again, go through and have a look, do your due diligence. I'm not going to read every single review that's here. The good, the bad, and everything in between is always worth keeping in mind. But some key things I saw people commenting on was praising the smooth payout process, very important, the tight spreads and responsive support team, which for me personally is a really important factor when I'm looking at working with a firm. So let's jump back over to the homepage and wrap this one up. So look, in conclusion, Crypto Fund Trader, they're combining flexible funding options, very realistic trading rules, professional execution, and long-term growth potential. So whether you prefer structured evaluations or immediate capital, there really is a program designed to support serious traders. So if what you've seen today resonates with you and you're looking at getting funded by the firm once again, jump onto the website, do some due diligence. But overall, Crypto Fund Trader doing really good things in the industry, and we expect more great things from them coming into 2026. Well, that's what I've got for you guys on this one. Now, hopefully you found it enjoyable and most importantly, informative. Let us know in the comments below your feedback on the firm. We always love to hear your perspective, especially if you are someone who's worked directly with them. And before we go, make sure you give us a quick thumbs up on the video. And if you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing to the YouTube channel here and our other social media pages, but that's so you don't miss a thing regarding the prop trading firm industry. Also, before you go, don't forget, check the link below so you can get your hands on the discount code as mentioned. Just another perk of watching our videos. Great to have your viewership. As always, guys, we appreciate you. Happy and successful trading, and I'll see you on the next one.